Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, front license plate bracket, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.